What's up, y'all? Big Ramos 009 back again this week with video number 28. I'm a little under the weather. I just started to notice today in the morning, so if I sound weird, that's why. There's been a little bit of a delay on my videos because I'm revamping all my websites. Shit. Yeah, I'm revamping all my websites, my social media, my business card, my logo, and all that is taking hell longer than I would want. So this week it's a quick digital Procreate painting sketch. I use my iPad and Apple Pencil to complete it. It's some fan art. I've watched videos where people have a problem with people doing fan art online. I'll go over how I feel about it and show you how to do it in a dope way. So enough of the intro, let's get to the art, tips, and music. So this piece came about one day when I was getting familiar with the iPad. I was also getting familiar with Procreate. I started to mess with a paintbrush that had attributes that made it act like oil paint does, if I remember right. I didn't know what to draw though. This was after doing the solid snake piece. I started to do some random guy, but I didn't like it. So I started to look around my brother and me's garage, man cave / studio space for a little bit of inspiration. Eventually I saw the cover of Hyperlight Drifter. Never played the game, but I used to like watching my brother play it, kind of like back in the day when he used to watch me play Zelda Ocarina of Time. The game looks beautiful and the music's really good. It was made by the game studio Heart Machine, whose creator has some kind of illness that could end his life at any given moment, or something along those lines. It's a crazy, dope, and inspiring story. There's a gang of YouTube videos about it. You should go check it out. Just look up Hyperlight Drifter on YouTube and you can find them. My opinion on fan art is simple. It could be hella dope if done from a genuine place. If you're just starting out in art, tracing and copying art that you like is something very common to do. And even back in the day, people that we consider masters studied their masters. So copying and tracing is a good way to learn and a good place to start from. That's how most people first start drawing. Just copying cartoons or comic books, animes, mangas that you like, Dragon Ball Z, Pokemon, Sailor Moon, things of that nature. The golden rule is just never try to pass off art that you copied as your own. If you do that, you'll be good. It's also an easy place to start if you're a beginner in art because the character design, the outfit, the accessories, and even the location are all already figured out. It's up to you to pretty much just do your own thing to it. You can mix it up with another IP, an intellectual property, or any other random thing in the world. Possibilities and styles of execution are limitless. And like always, just stay in that kid mode and just have some fun. In this case, I just treated the design like it was an actual 3D subject under a direct light source. So I added highlights, midtones, and shadows, like if it was a portrait from life or a still life. It's super simple. I wish I would have done more to it, but it's clean and I like it. Crazy what these apps and programs are capable of. Procreate, Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, even though I haven't messed with that one. I want to though. And Adobe Fresco, to list a few. Adobe Fresco is a really dope, free, I think, program. Or you could get the full one if you already have the Adobe Creative Suite. Shout out to 1000 on YouTube. I was watching videos of him with my brother and he was using that program. And if he wouldn't have used that, I would have never started to use it, and it's a really clean program. The brushes and live brushes, the selection of brushes, and the abilities that they have are insane. And Fresco can do vector art. Just have fun with these programs, make fan art, get better at art, and then create your own stuff. So that's pretty much it. Let's get to the final product. Hope y'all got something out the video. I plan on making better and better videos. I just have certain things that I need to knock out. I really won't have to deal with those things like for a long time or ever again, hopefully. Thank you again so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Click the notification bell to not miss anything. I'll see y'all soon. I'll be safe. All right, y'all. Peace.